Hey guys, it's Janessa Rios here with Russ Darrow, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of West Bend. And today I wanted to take a minute and talk to you guys about safety recalls. So safety recalls are pretty common and they happen across all makes and models. And what it is when the manufacturer or the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration says, hey, your vehicle's not functioning the way it should, or equipment on your vehicle doesn't meet safety regulations. So they send out a notice in the mail, and when you get that notice, give your manufacturer dealership a call. Make sure you have your VIN number ready, and if you want to come on over, I'll show you where to find that. So it's going to be on the front dash here. Or you can also find it on the inside of your door. So usually on the driver's side door, there'll be a little barcode right here. Have that ready. We'll get you set up with an appointment, and that it's going to be no cost to you. It is covered by the manufacturer. So come on down to Russ Darrow, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram of West Bend today.